Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to use the green screen feature in Capcut on your Android phone. Green screens unlock a world of creative possibilities, and with Capcut, the process is both straightforward and effective. Let's dive in. If you haven't already installed Capcut, head to the Google Play Store and download it. Once installed, open the app on your Android phone. Tap on the plus icon to initiate a new project. Select a file you want to use in your video. For example, let's say I want to use this video. From the bottom right, tap on Add. The video is now added to the track. From the bottom menu, tap on Overlay and then select Add Overlay. Now choose another video with a green background. I've already downloaded this video. Again, from the bottom right, tap on Add. Once the video is imported into the track, set its position where you want to use it in your project. After deciding the green screen video's position, from the bottom bar, scroll from right to left to navigate to Remove Background and tap to open it. Upon tapping, you will get three options. Select Chroma Key and then Color Picker. Now let's go to the clip and set the circle on the color you want to remove. Since we're removing the green color, place the circle on the green color and tap on it. Once selected, adjust the sliders until the green background becomes transparent. Now, you can add shadow effects or apply filters to enhance the video quality. Let's play the video to have a preview. You can see that the video looks perfect. So, this is how you can use the green screen feature on Capcut for your Android phone. I hope this video has been helpful. For more informative content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.